Hello everyone, welcome back. After thorough examination, hundreds of new words are added to dictionary every year. Dictionaries gives us adequate knowledge on words with its meaning, pronunciation, spell check and so on. When the pandemic began, words which were not heard or which we have never considered suddenly became a part of our day-to-day vocabulary. Words like quarantine, lockdown, COVID 19. Especially in the year 2020 to 21, these words have created impact on our lives. By the way, in this video, we are going to explore the trending words which are on circulation in 2021. So, what are some of the words that got added in our usage? Let's check it out. Number 1, Ow walk. During lockdown, people get bored and stressed. They did wish to relax by having a walk outside. Taking a walk outside and making an effort to look at the things around is called Ow walk. The word was usually coined by the authors of a recent philosophical study. The study found older people who took hour walks felt more positive and less stressed over time. Cambridge Dictionary has noticed the usage of hour walk is being used quite a bit. The word awe means a feeling of respect. So when someone says they will take an hour walk, it means they will notice and feel grateful for all the things around them. Let's see how we can use our walk in sentence. Yesterday on our hour walk, we noticed a park which we had never seen before. 2. Doom scrolling. Today we engage ourselves by scrolling our smartphones up and down in the means to get entertained. While we read the news on social media and expect it to be bad, we worry about it so much and become obsessed by it. And we have all done it. The term to refer such kind of feeling is called as doom scrolling. Doom scrolling is the combination of the noun doom and verb scroll. This word was made popular by the journalist Karan Ho. Dictionary.com added doom scrolling last summer. Let us see doom scrolling in sentence. I was doom scrolling on Instagram today while reading about COVID-19 cases. I think it's why I feel so anxious now. 3. Adulting. The act of becoming or acting like an adult is called adulting. We come across kids who describe as if they did house chores like cooking meals or buying vegetables. Yeah, when kids speak that way, we refer them as adulting. Let us see the usage of adulting in sentence. My roommates and I are adulting during lockdown. We clean the whole house every Monday. Let me explain the sentence. Myself and my roommates clean the entire house every Monday like adults. The age group of adults is referred between 20 to 40. 4. Quarantine. Quarantine is a reference made to teenage children belonging to COVID-19 pandemic, whereas the familiar quarantine is different from this quarantine. Quarantine, which means a state of isolating oneself or restricting from the contagious environment. Obviously, quarantine will be a homophone for the word quarantine. Cambridge Dictionary has observed this usage among people in recent times. Quarantine will also be a compound noun of quarantine and teenager. Let us see how we can use quarantine in sentence. My sister is a quarantine and spends a lot of time on Twitter. 5. Thirsty. Thirsty means having a strong desire for attention, especially on social media. Well, I know what you're thinking. Doesn't thirsty mean needing to drink? Yes, you are right. Recently, Merriam-Webster has given definition for thirsty. Thirsty is quite normal for people who prefer to gain popularity on social media. Let us see how we can use thirsty in sentence. My brother is thirsty. He posts many photos of him on Instagram because he seeks followers' attention. 6. Truthiness. The current scenario can confuse us by overhearing information on and on without knowing the true fact. Informations which aren't proved with evidences are called as truthiness. Since we hear a lot of disinformation going around right now, Merriam-Webster has added this word truthiness to its dictionary. Let us see how to use truthiness in sentence. While participating in a debate, you can't speak truthiness and expect to get away with it. 7. Contactless. The meaning of contactless is not having to physically touch or interact with people. Contactless delivery became a popular option for shoppers during pandemic. People who choose contactless delivery get their groceries or food delivered to their doorsteps. They don't have to go out to reach them. Right before the beginning of pandemic, Merriam-Webster added the word contactless to their dictionary. Let us see how we can use contactless in sentence. Our family started to shop at a new grocery store because we prefer to purchase in a shop where there is an option of contactless delivery. 8. Personal protective equipment. It is shortly referred as PPE. Many of us first heard the word PPE at the beginning of the pandemic. The abbreviation for PPE is personal protective equipment. This abbreviation is added to Merriam-Webster last year. This is a clothing people wear to protect themselves from danger, like masks, gloves, face shields are all examples of PPE. Let us see how we can use PPE in sentence. Healthcare professionals and essential workers wear PPE during their duty hours. These are the trending words circulated in daily conversation throughout the world. So, what's your favorite new word for 2021? Leave it below on the comment section. I wish you all to explore these vocabulary in your everyday conversation. For more of English learning, keep following us by subscribing to us. See you soon. Until then, take care.